Lomad. It means fox, and this is actually a wolf. For all my viewers who don't know, always get confused. Like people always get confused with fox for some reason. They call me fox, but it is actually a wolf.
क्या आपने कभी फिल्मों में सिंगल टेक सीन्स नोटिस किए हैं? या फिर क्या आपने कोई ऐसी फिल्म देखी है जो शुरुआत से अंत तक बिना कट्स के एक ही टेक में बनाई गई हो? आपके जहन में शायद बर्डमैन, इरिवर्सिबल या 1917 आई होगी। लेकिन क्या आपको पता है ये फिल्में एक्चुअली वन शॉट फिल्में नहीं हैं। मतलब इनमें कई सारे कट्स हैं, लेकिन इन्हें बेहद ही बारीकी से जोड़ा गया है, जिस वजह से ये फिल्में वन शॉट की तरह नजर आती हैं। क्या आप सोच सकते हैं कि एक ट्रू सिंगल शॉट फिल्म बनाना कितना मुश्किल होता होगा? एक्टर्स डायलॉग्स नहीं भूल सकते, ब्लॉकिंग मिस नहीं किया जा सकता, टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज आए तो दूसरा शॉट लेने के लिए कैमरा नहीं रोक सकते, और अगर इनमें से कुछ भी होता है तो पूरी फिल्म वापस से जीरो से शुरू करनी पड़ती है। अब इसमें एक और चैलेंज ऐड करें और इसे छोटी बजट में बनाने की कोशिश करें तो ये कितनी मुश्किल होगी। ऐसी ही एक फिल्म हाल ही में मैंने देखी जो एक इंडिपेंडेंट फिल्म है, जिसका नाम है लोमड़, मतलब द फॉक्स।
Namaskaram Bangalore. My name is Hemant Tiwari and I'm a filmmaker. Yesterday my film has released. The name of my film is Lomad. वो फिल्म ने पोस्टर है वहाँ पे. The beauty of the film is that this is 1 hour and 40 minutes of single shot film. There is no cut in the film. When film is running successfully on this mall, Ashutosh Golekar sir, he tweeted about this film that he was away to watch this single shot drama Mila and time to get a 3-star rating. Thank you, Bangalore. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you so much.
इस आदमी का नाम है हेमंत तिवारी। 1 साल पहले मैंने एक रील देखी थी जिसमें मैंने इस आदमी को अपने फिल्म की प्रोडक्शन खुद करते देखा, और देखा कि उसकी इस फिल्म को थिएट्रिकल रिलीज भी मिल चुकी है। मेरा मन ये देखकर खुश हुआ था। फिर ठीक 1 साल बाद पिछले हफ्ते मैंने एक और पोस्ट देखी जिसमें लिखा था कि दिस फिल्म इज नाउ स्ट्रीमिंग ऑन यूट्यूब, और मैंने तुरंत ये फिल्म देख ली। अक्सर हम ये सवाल पूछते हैं कि हमारे देश में अच्छी फिल्में क्यों नहीं बनती। इसके कई कारण हैं, लेकिन उनमें से एक कारण ये भी है कि जब अच्छी फिल्में बनाई जाती हैं तो हम उसे सपोर्ट नहीं करते, या फिर बड़े कॉम्पिटिशन्स के बीच नेचुरली ये खो जाती हैं। लोमड़ जब मैं देख रहा था तब मैं शुरुआत से अंत तक हुक्ड था। इसे अच्छे तरीके से ना सिर्फ लिखा गया है, लेकिन इसकी परफॉर्मेंसेस भी बेहद अच्छी है। मैंने ये फिल्म देखकर हेमंत को कांटेक्ट किया ये कहने कि मुझे ये फिल्म पसंद आई और मैं उनके साथ इंटरव्यू करना चाहता हूँ। उन्होंने तुरंत रिस्पॉन्ड किया और फिर मैंने उनसे उनकी फिल्म को लेकर बहुत सारी बातें की, जिसमें एक्टिंग से लेकर फिल्म मेकिंग तक की बातें हमने की, जो आज की वीडियो में आगे आप देखेंगे। अगर आप अच्छी इंडी फिल्म देखना पसंद करते हैं तो लोमड़ जरूर देखें, और आगे मेरी और हेमंत की इंटरव्यू देखिए।
Thank you so much, Hemant, for taking our time. First of all, I really would like to thank you, and I'm so glad that I reached out to you. When I saw your reels, I was like, I saw a hustler in you. What I saw was you were in a theater, and you got a standing ovation from people. This was your theatrical release, and that was amazing to see because the way you were saying things, it felt like you were a hustler at heart. And then I saw your videos in the future, and I was hoping that this would come on YouTube, and it was finally there. And then I saw it on YouTube the last week. It was awesome. So really hats off to your hustle, man. I really appreciate you doing this. And so I want to ask you first thing, are you happy?
अभी थोड़े दिन पहले तो यार थैंक यू सो मच for approaching me, for bringing me on your platform. And I really like the way you disguise yourself, and that is what makes your channel and you very unique. And that is the sole reason I said instant yes. I wanted to be on your show. I wanted to be on your platform. And yes, definitely I am a hustler, and that is what makes me happy. Abhi thode din pehle I was reading something that if you are doing something that is what you wanted to do, then ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता that you're not happy.
Yes.
And the idea is that एक बंदा और क्या ही चाहेगा कि उसको कुछ बनाना था, दुनिया के सामने दिखाना था, और उसने कोई कसर नहीं। See, why I'm happy is कि मैंने अपनी तरफ से कसर नहीं छोड़ी।
Yes. I saw your costume also. वो कॉस्ट्यूम के बारे में थोड़ा बताइएगा कि आपने उसको क्या सिलवाया? I think I read somewhere that you like stitched it up yourself and something like that.
नो मैंने अपने आप तो नहीं सीला, लेकिन हाँ जब मुझे ये आइडिया आया कि यू नो ओ बाय द वे यू नो लेट मी टेल यू, ये जो द मास्क दैट यू आर वेयरिंग, मेरे
Yes.
दिमाग में एग्जैक्ट सेम मास्क था, बट इन अ ऑरेंज कलर,
Right.
एंड आई हैड इन माय माइंड कि यार मैं ऐसा मास्क बनाऊंगा एंड नीचे कपड़े सिलवाऊंगा लोमड़ी की तरह. सो
Uh-huh.
सुबह उठा, जाके मैंने कपड़ा लिया और जाके दर्जी के पास मैंने उसको बताया ऐसे ऐसे करना है, पूंछ लगानी है एंड ऑल दैट.
Mhm.
एंड देन व्हेन इट केम टू दिस मास्क, देन
Yeah.
यू नो मेरे को लगा कि यार ये ना गत्ते का होगा, पसीना आएगा बाहर, देन गीला हो जाएगा.
Yes.
व्हाई आई फेल्ट वाज बिकॉज जो मैंने लैमिनेट करके जो मास्क बनाया था वो
Uh-huh.
भी गीला हो गया था. इमेजिन जो
Oh.
लैमिनेट था लेकिन वो भी गीला हो जाता था. सो आई हैड अ
Yeah.
कपल ऑफ देम रेडी विथ मी. सो इसीलिए मैंने इसको अवॉइड किया, नहीं तो आई वुड हैव
I
टेकन दिस आइडिया पहले.
Yes, yes. I'm guessing you were in Mumbai, right? You shot
Yes,
the
yes,
whole
yes, yes. We shot the whole film in Film City.
in Film City. That's awesome.
Yeah, yeah,
I,
yeah.
I
Film
was
City
going to
में
ask you
पूरे.
about that. Yes, because it looked like Mumbai to me. Yes, it was amazing to see the whole, like, the trees and everything. It kind of looked like Film City or somewhere in. I'm guessing it is in Malad.
Yeah, Goregaon.
Goregaon. Yes.
Yeah, the whole Film City, you know, is in Goregaon. वहाँ पर पूरा जंगल है.
I
So
see.
even you know, an interesting fact that Ashutosh Gorikar sir, when he watched the film,
Uh-huh.
so he said one thing about the location. That bridge, that
Yes.
bridge has been used so many times in so many films. You know, हम लोगों ने उसको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ bits and pieces में उसको देखा ही देखा होगा, ठीक है.
Yes.
और हम लोग देखते भी रहते हैं. बट आशुतोष सर ने बोला कि यार द मोमेंट यू ब्रॉट इट इन ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, एक तो वो पता नहीं चला, और
Yes.
दूसरा कि बिकॉज आई नो दैट इट इज इन मुंबई, सो आई नो दैट इट इज फिल्म सिटी का खंडाला घाट, बट
Right.
no one has used that bridge the way you have used it. You know,
Yes.
you have made a whole fucking film around that.
Yes, yes. Your whole film actually, start to end, it is
Yeah.
from that bridge. Yeah, it continues on that, and then
Yeah.
the whole story is around that. That is
Yeah.
actually phenomenal. I like the fact that this reminds me of movie Saw. जिसके अंदर the director, right? He was actually in a film school, and उन्होंने Saw कैसी बनाई थी कि he actually got the actors like in a room, and he wrote the story in that constrained budget. Like, since he did not have much like money, he brought everyone in that room, and he like wrote a story constraining in that room.
I'll tell you another interesting fact about this, the whole thing that you mentioned.
Yes.
So there is this film called Victoria. I think 2015 या 16 की है, जर्मन फिल्म है.
I see.
2 घंटे 20 मिनट की वन शॉट है.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so I remember the director of that film. What he did was that he only had a 7-pager का script.
Oh, okay.
He had a 7-page का script, and
see.
what he did was that he said कि आप लोग बस I want you guys to be unknown. आप लोग एक क्लब में मिले हो, and
Yes.
now just get to know each other. और फिर कैसे धीरे धीरे चीजें निकल के आती हैं, and then एक heist हो जाता है.
Oh, I see.
So even I remember that the film that I wanted to make was a one shot and a heist one shot. But then
Okay.
the moment I saw this film, I had to cancel that plan. But
I see.
the point was the trivia, that how things, we guys come up with, like he had a 7-pager. But then when I read that trivia, मैंने बोला यार मुझे नहीं करना ये, क्योंकि ना उसमें क्या होता है ना कि थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग क्योंकि हमको नहीं पता ना एज अ राइटिंग कितना बोलना है कितना नहीं बोलना है एज एन
Yes.
एक्टर. तो
Yes.
इसलिए आई वांटेड माय स्क्रिप्ट टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज, एंड दैट इज वेयर आई टुक माय स्क्रिप्ट, अ प्रिसाइज स्क्रिप्ट टू एवरीवन, बट
Okay.
एवरी एक्टर वी ऑल एडेड टू इट. मतलब आई आल्सो गिव क्रेडिट टू ऑल माय एक्टर्स कि उन
Sure.
लोगों ने अपनी अपनी चीजें इसमें जोड़ी हैं.
Sure. Yes. That brings me to the dialogues, right? It was very fascinating to see because I was hooked the very moment I started the film. वहां से लेके the first 10 minutes, that's what filmmaking is all about. The first 10 minutes, if you hook your audience in, you are good to go. So the first 10 minutes, the dialogues between you and the actors, right?
Yeah.
Oroshika. Oroshika.
Yeah.
Y'all were phenomenal. I mean, I really love the way. I'm 100% sure it is a lot of like improv, right? If I'm not wrong, I saw that with also the inspector, right? So I saw like one scene between you and him when y'all are really fighting it out, and there's something happens after that. वहां पर you can actually tell that this is such an improv scene. Like you have to be really trained in a way to be able to say these dialogues. So when you pick your actors, like how did you pick them? Are these your friends, your colleagues? Like how did you
No,
find them?
my actors were definitely trained FTII actors.
Oh, wow.
And what happened was that I told them one thing, that
Mhm.
मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट जो है जैसी लिखी है मेरे को बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली वही चाहिए.
Okay.
You know why I was strict was because I knew कि
Hmm.
if I'm strict till the day of the shoot,
Right.
they will give me exact the same script. But
Yes.
last day pe I told them that now don't worry about the script. Yeah, on the last day I told them now don't worry about the script, because now I knew that अब हम लोगों के अंदर वो स्क्रिप्ट इतनी बस गई थी कि
Yes.
हम लोग उसको उल्टा भी बोलते तो सीधा ही बोलते.
That is right. That is
So
absolutely.
exactly. So now the last instruction of me to my actors was कि
Mhm.
like तीर्था को मैंने बोला था, and even to Oro and Parimal, that
Yes.
guys now forget the script.
Yes.
Okay, अगर कुछ भी होता है,
Mhm.
we have to कैसे भी करके रुकना नहीं है. We have to just now we know the story.
Right. Right.
Now we know the story, and now we know the major dialogues जो कि मिस हो गई तो मेरे मतलब फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
Yes, that is right.
Okay,
Me-
so majority of the films का जो script है, that is to the point. But in the conversation I'll tell you some amazing trivias जहाँ पर कि कुछ चीजें मिस हुई और जिसकी वजह से पूरा का पूरा scene जो script में था उसके opposite हुआ.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
That is really interesting. That sounds like a very fun process. Because I know I saw that one shot in the film, जहाँ पर Parimal opens the door of the car, and Oroshika is down, and like she's on the ground, and उसको शायद लग जाता है, but then they are holding the character so well, they did not let it go, which is
This
awesome.
this I would like to absolutely the credit goes to यहाँ पर Oroshika, because I'll tell you the story behind that. So the जो door होता है ना,
Mhm.
उसका corner था नीचे. Can you imagine the corner?
Yes.
And when Oroshika got up, उसकी पीठ पे वो corner लगा.
Oh.
And वो जब उठी तो and by the way वहां पर वो जो मैंने जो डायलॉग बोला, अरे सर छोड़ दो ना सर, क्या परेशान करके रखा हुआ है,
Yes,
वो
yes.
that was that because of that चोट, that was not there.
So that was improv. That is
Yeah,
awesome.
that was so उसको इतनी चोट लगी लेकिन फिर भी जब वो उठी तो वो चोट गायब थी उसके चेहरे से, and then she was on bed rest for 2 weeks because of that चोट.
Oh my God, that is
Yeah.
crazy. It brings me to this, right? So you are a trained actor yourself. That is pretty evident. I saw a couple of your short films. You have done really good work. There's some body of work definitely that that precedes Lomer, which is phenomenal. I think that's why it is a success, because you are trained and all your actors were trained. So can you tell us a little bit about your background?
So I was born in Bihar
Sure.
and now Jharkhand.
Okay.
And so yes, my dad was in army, so we were getting posted all every time.
Yes.
So जो मेरे पापा थे वो so he got posted in NSG Manesar गुड़गांव में.
Okay.
So that is when वहां पर उन्होंने एक छोटा सा प्लॉट लिया गुड़गांव में ही.
Okay.
और वहां पर मैं और मम्मी रहे, और मेरे डैड के साथ मेरी बहन और भाई जो थे वो ट्रैवल कर रहे थे टू वेरियस पोस्टिंग्स.
I see.
सो वहां पर मेरा स्कूल मिला, दैट इज द आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल धौला कुआं.
Okay.
And I owe my life to this school because this school taught me a lot.
Mhm.
And एक बार वहां जब पहुंचा तो उस स्कूल में एक चीज थी, ऑडियो विजुअल रूम था प्राइमरी विंग में.
Okay.
और उस ऑडियो विजुअल रूम में चलता था अपना ये लॉरेन हार्डी, चार्ली चैपलिन, ये सब चलते थे.
Hmm.
तो उन सब से मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला और आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज मेरे अंदर बस गया है कि यार वो सिनेमा मैंने बहुत अर्ली स्टेज पे वो कॉमेडी और ये सब देखा
Right.
एंड देन जर्नी स्टार्टेड फिर चला 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 आई थिंक समवेयर अराउंड 11th or 12th I had it in my mind that I want to be in this industry.
Okay.
But I didn't tell my parents obviously because they wanted me to be in army and
Yes.
मैंने बहुत बेजोड़ मेहनत भी की my father was posted in Sagar so I was there मैंने पूरी 6 महीने मेहनत लगा के पूरा मैथ ये वो तामझाम सब तैयारी की but
Yes.
My parents don't know that when I went for the exam I just closed my eyes and I just कहीं पर भी कुछ भी मार्क करके मैं आ गया so I was not ready for that so
Right.
वो हुआ and then I came to Mumbai and
Nice.
so Mumbai आने से पहले I was doing call centers पैसे वैसे जो भी थे जोड़ जाड़ के I came here and then I did my acting course
Right.
and then things happened theaters and ये वो ताम झाम सब करते करते short films ads assist जो
Right.
मिला and then I was writing and then the international series happened Medina
Oh, okay, I see.
yeah for which I was in Qatar for 6 months okay
Wow.
so I earned my money and then I thought कि यार ये जो पैसे आए हैं या तो मैं इसका कुछ खरीद लूं या जो भी है तामझाम and
Yeah.
या तो मैं इन्वेस्ट कर लूं अपने फ्यूचर में so that is when उसमें से छोटा सा एक चंक निकाल के मैंने लोमड़ बना दिया
Wow, that is awesome. मेरे जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनमें से थोड़े लोग फिल्म मेकिंग भी करते हैं और थोड़े लोग मैंने देखा है कि थोड़े एक्टर्स भी हैं तो उनको मतलब एक्टिंग कितनी डिफिकल्ट है मुंबई में रहकर स्पेशली इन द इंडस्ट्री राइट आई एम गेसिंग यू वांट टू break into Bollywood maybe from your experience what do you think like how difficult it is and do you have to make your own film to be recognized?
No, see, let's understand one thing that Lomad was my, I mean, see, it was my dream project. I mean, I would say that still the best of my project is still not out yet. Yeah, I mean, because if you see, like I mentioned, कि मेरे को heist के ऊपर फिल्म बनानी थी one shot में,
right.
जो कि शुरुआती होती है धूम धड़ाका बुबला बू से पूरा धाम 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 and then it takes over.
Yes.
But then obviously that was huge in budget okay so that's when I was writing and then happened Lomad
Right.
so it is just, and मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता था कि मैं लिख सकता हूँ by the way मैं when I came to Mumbai I remember that I met someone and she knew me from school and she told me that Hemant you used to write for me
yeah
so exactly so मैंने बोला and I didn't even remember so that is when I realized okay fine ये जो छोटा मोटा मैं लिख रहा हूँ ये I think वहीं से कहीं से आ रहा है and then I full-fledged I just started writing anything and everything so for me it was a wholesome the whole journey was wholesome because I was watching films I was writing I was acting I was doing assisting as well मतलब I was not leaving anything because I had somewhere शाहरुख सर का एक इंटरव्यू था जहां पर उन्होंने बोला that I want to be perfect in all the spheres of filmmaking whether it is spot boy
right.
मेरे को आप spot boy का भी काम दोगे तो मैं उसको पूरी शिद्दत से करूंगा so I wanted to be that guy right. I wanted to be a part of everything so that is where coming to your question that how hard is acting see
yes.
It's a craft. Yes. It's a craft because I have heard from people, that they say, "यार मैं 2 साल try करूँगा, मैं 1 साल try करूँगा, नहीं हुआ तो मैं आ जाऊँगा." See, we need to understand that. Look, this is not कोई, गए और सब्जी खरीद के आ गए. It is not that. It's not a lottery system यहाँ पे कि 1 साल try किया, 2 साल try किया. It's a craft. सालों लग जाते हैं ब्रेकिंग बैड का जो कैरेक्टर मिला फाइनली बंदे को उसका एक इंटरव्यू में सुन रहा था कि इट टेक्स इयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस टू बिकम एन एक्टर बिकम अ फिल्म मेकर I have been here for more than a decade so and more than that जो थपेड़े मारता है इंडस्ट्री जो थपेड़े मारती है लाइफ जो थपेड़े मारती है यहाँ पे जिंदगी और उसी में आप जूझ रहे हो उसी में आपको करना है and then that belief कि I am not going to leave this So I came here without plan B. You know, people have plan B. Personally, I feel that one should not have plan B, because the moment you have a plan B, your plan A fails that day itself.
That is true. I think that is
Yeah.
that is absolutely true. If you have a safety net, then you're basically not giving you 100% on your plan A.
You know, you know, when people ask me that, you know, how did you find the courage? How did you do it? Because this was never done. This is so unconventional. See, this is what I tell people, that I didn't have any other option. You know,
Yes.
I had this one thing, and that is I have made a fucking film. I have made a film. लोगों की जान निकल जाती है, लोगों की जिंदगियां निकल जाती हैं एक फिल्म को खड़ा करने में, बनाने में. And यहाँ पर I was blessed that I am an actor.
Yes.
I am blessed that I'm an actor. I don't have to go find actors, you know.
That's
I have
true.
to write something around it. And the best part was that, you know, I had a circle of actors where I could audition. I know I was privileged. Jason, can you imagine, as a debut director, I was privileged that in this amazing talents, I could choose ki, yaar, I think you fit the character.
Right.
You know, I
Right.
was privileged. So I did the audition पहले. ऐसा नहीं कि, you know, मेरे यार दोस्त थे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यार
अच्छा.
दोस्त मेरे सर्कल थे, but audition मैंने सबके लिए.
Okay, I see. That's
Yeah.
I'm so glad Parimal did it, because he absolutely killed it.
Absolutely.
He was so good.
If you see Parimal's character,
Yes.
एक लौता कैरेक्टर ऐसा था फिल्म में जिसको मैंने ये बोला था, भाई तू फ्री है. तू फ्री है. You will always be in high status.
Yes.
मतलब तू कुछ भी कर सकता है. तू मेरे से जूते चटवा सकता है. You are that high of a character.
Right.
So and you know, at the same time, the character of Abhay was completely low status.
Yes.
You know कि भाई मैं कोई चक्कर नहीं है सर, आप you will tell me to suck your cock, I will do that. Exactly.
Right.
I was in that state. So एक का नीचे होना और एक का ऊपर होना, that is what worked for the film.
Right. Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So so the whole film is in black and white, right?
The whole film is in black and white. Yes.
Yes.
I mean, I converted it to black and white. Obviously, it was shot in color.
Yes. So this was done in post, right?
Even for that matter, even Oroshika Day, you know, her performance, even Tirtha's performance, was so bang on. I mean, if you see the film, matlab, there is one thing about the film that supersedes everything, and that is the performance.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. That is without a doubt. You are so, when a viewer watches it, you're just so engrossed. You just want to know what is going to happen next. It is a sign of good filmmaking. I would 100%.
And can you imagine when I went out in the market,
Yes.
I remember people telling me that Hemant, no, it is not possible. The camera garam ho jayega, card khatam ho jayega, camera ruk jayega. Then अगर ये सब हुआ भी तो फिर आपके actors थक जाएंगे, actors को line याद नहीं रहेगी. You know, yeah. So many things. But my actors, oh my God, such brilliant cast here.
Yes. No, absolutely. And
oh my God, how can we forget the cameraman?
Yes. I was just going to get to that. Yes, I was like, how big is your crew, and what kind of work did the cameraman do? That was phenomenal. It was spotless.
So I remember there's this guy called Manoj, I think. Sorry, Manoj sir, अगर मैं आपका नाम गलत ले रहा हूँ तो. He's a Steadicam operator. So I remember Supratim calling him on the set. Okay, it's in Film City. And he is there, and I narrate him the whole film. ऐसे वैसे नीचे ताम धड़ाम ये गिरना पड़ना. And then Manoj sir बोलते हैं, यार हेमंत, Steadicam में तो possible ही नहीं हो पाएगा यार ये. I will give you few moments in the film where you can stitch the film.
Okay.
Audience को नहीं पता चलेगा. Don't worry. मैंने बोला, sir, I'm not making the film for the audience. Understand? I'm making the film for myself.
Right.
You know, अगर मेरे अंदर ये पता है मुझे कि यार इस moment पे cheating है, so I will not be happy. So that is what I don't want. So that is where that genius guy, he came up with this genius idea where he said that, why don't you do one thing? I'm obviously with Supratim in the picture, that why don't you have 3 people and उन तीनों के ऊपर rig लगा हुआ होगा, okay? And what we'll do is that camera जो होगा एक wire से attach होगा और moments 20 मिनट के बाद वो wire हटा के दूसरे पे लगा के और फिर wire attach कर देना है.
Wow.
So So we had 3 gimbal, you know, with the rig, okay, and including Supratim, and then there were moments that were decided by Supratim Bhol कि कहाँ पर हम लोग moment पे camera change करेंगे.
I
So
see.
that he decided himself because he knew कि कहाँ पर film रुकने वाली है, कहाँ पर रुकेगी, भागेंगे. So he knew
Right.
everything. Yeah,
Right.
yeah, yeah. So I give the complete credit of my success of my this film Lomad to my team, my cameraman, my actors.
Yeah.
So we had, obviously the cameraman Supratim, and then there were 3 operators with him, and
Sure.
then we had a focus puller, we had a gaffer,
Yes.
and yeah, a boom mic, and a chief AD behind the camera. So I had a total of, let's say, 9 people behind the camera throughout 1 hour and 40 minutes. Yeah.
And there is no room for error because you have paid for the location. So you have to do it no matter what. You have to continue doing whatever it is, whatever is going on, whatever is captured. And it was a single shot in the sense, have you, okay, I understand the part of single shot, but did you shoot it multiple times in the sense
Yes.
not
No, I got it. So
Yes.
this is the second take that we got.
got it. Yes,
Yeah.
that's what I wanted to ask.
So first take, what happened was that at the 88th minute,
Yeah.
the card finished. Yeah, can you imagine? And even after so much of rehearsal, and I was so superstitious that I had marked the camera, I had marked the card that with the same the camera and the card that we were rehearsing with, I wanted the same card, same camera on the final day. But somehow what happened was that जब वो पूजा हुई, तो उसके
Yes.
बाद वो जब कार्ड को चेंज करने गया बंदा, तो वो गलती से वही वाला कार्ड लगा के आ गया वापस.
Oh,
So can you imagine when we both are sitting, me and Tirtha, in the second half,
Right.
and after the dream sequence, what happens is that either camera चल रहा है, मैं और तीर्था performance दे रहे हैं, and Supratim is saying, हेमंत कार्ड खत्म होने वाला है, हेमंत क्या
my.
करना है? हेमंत कार्ड, and I'm बिल्कुल intense, मैं तीर्था की तरफ intensely देख रहा हूँ, और यहाँ
Yes.
से I in my raw footage I still have the sound पूरा clear. हेमंत क्या करना है, हेमंत कार्ड खत्म होने वाला है, I think last के 10 मिनट रह गए हैं, लेकिन कार्ड खत्म हो रहा है. And then I'm like चल रहा है, and then finally the card finished. Instant जैसी card finish हुआ, I told my chief AD, and again, round of applause for my chief AD, Mau Talukdar, and with her, all my assistants as well, the way
Right.
they managed the whole thing. So जैसी card खत्म हुआ, instantly Mau ने जाके पूरा first position सबको तैयार किया, कपड़े वपड़े जो भी थे सब. The beauty was कि यहाँ पर कोई continuity नहीं थी. अगर ये वाले कपड़े जो हैं गंदे हो गए, तो फटाफट दूसरे वाले शर्ट के साथ we can start.
Right.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
and as you said, the location was definitely, हमारे उसमें था, but there came a moment where so Film City के आसपास गांव हैं, और वहां पर वो लोग लकड़ी लेके कहीं से भी निकल सकते हैं. So
हाँ.
मेरे 2-3 एंट्रेंसेस थे, वहां पर मैंने अपने बंदों को लगा के रखा था.
Oh,
So एक इंसिडेंट हुआ जहां पर कि वो बेचारा बैठा हुआ है और नीचे से सांप आया. And this is again the second half of the scene, जहां पर कि वॉकी टॉकी पे मऊ को बोलते हैं कि अरे मैम सांप आ गया इधर, सांप आ गया, मैं क्या करूं. So प्रोडक्शन वाले ने उसको बोला, अरे भाई उस पे बात मत कर, तू इधर बात कर, इस वाले चैनल पे बात कर. तो उसने उस वाले चैनल, सो ये मेरे को बाद में पता चला ये सब कहानी. तो प्रोडक्शन वाला बोलता है, अरे तो तू एक काम करना, उसको दूध पिला दे यार.
Talking about the dream sequence, I just want to tell my audience. So when Hemant is talking about the memory card almost getting completely used up, वो इसलिए है क्योंकि for the dream sequence, I think it was shot. It was a slow-mo shot, if I'm not wrong. Or when you have to do a slow-mo shot, you have to use more frames per second. But since this is a continuous movie, a single shot film, if I'm not wrong, Hemant, you can correct me on this. You completely shot that whole film in 120 frames per second.
Wow, I'm so happy that you have done your homework so well, Jason.
Yes.
I'm so glad that you came up with this. So the whole film was shot in slow motion, that is 48 FPS.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So for your audience, let me tell you that a film is shot on 24 FPS. But
Yes.
when I told Supratim that यार मेरे को ना ये certain scenes है ना slow motion में चाहिए. So Supratim का भी सबसे पहला यही था reaction कि यार but how is that possible? कैसे होगा? तो कैमरा रोकना पड़ेगा. because कैमरा रोक के ही सेटिंग चेंज होगी.
सही बात.
So that's when I told him and I was ready with this. मैंने
Yeah.
बोला कि पूरी फिल्म हम लोग 48 पे शूट करेंगे. And he was shocked. पहली बार जब उसने सुना he was shocked. बोला क्या बोल रहा है यार? मतलब हाँ, पूरी फिल्म हम लोग स्लो मोशन में शूट करेंगे और पूरी फिल्म को मैं टेबल पे जब ले जाऊंगा एडिट टेबल पे, वहां पर मैं उसको 24 में कन्वर्ट करूंगा. एंड जो सीन्स हैं जो मुझे स्लो मोशन में चाहिए, लाइक द ड्रीम सीक्वेंसेस, लाइक एक जगह पे बंदूक का भी है, तो ये सब मैं स्लो में उसको रहने दूंगा. So I'm so happy that you brought this point. And we rehearsed the camera जब जब कैमरा चेक करते थे तो भी 48 पे रख के एंड जो भी सेटिंग जो सुप्रीतिम को चाहिए था वो सब करके हम लोग पूरा कैमरा चलाते थे 1 घंटे 40 मिनट तक.
Wow, that is amazing. अब मुझे ये क्वेश्चन आता है इसके बाद कि कितना बड़ा मेमोरी लगा होगा, मतलब for a feature film. I'm guessing this was shot on either Arri camera.
It was in Red Monstro with a 1 TB card, and so see, we have to make the cinema that we want to make.
Yes.
And then don't stop anywhere to reach out to the audience, because there is certain audience for every film. They are waiting. लेकिन क्या होता है ना कि न्यूज उन तक ट्रैवल नहीं करती, बात उन तक पहुंचती नहीं है. अब क्योंकि एक एवरेज फिल्म जो है वो यही एक्शन ड्रामा ये वो लार्जर स्केल स्टार्स एंड, तो वो क्या होता है, एक पैसा रहता है तो एक बड़े ऑडियंस तक एक बार में पहुंच जाती है. नाउ दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंड कि एक फिल्म बनी जो कि मुझे बनानी थी. और सी इट इज लाइक एक जब आप एक दुकान खोलते हो, लाइक मेरा एक दोस्त है वो उसने एक बिरयानी की दुकान खोली, तो ही वाज टॉकिंग ऑन द फोन, अरे यार इतना तू हर ऑडियंस का रिएक्शन लेगा कि यार उसने कम बोला ज्यादा बोला तो तेरा खुद का बिरयानी खराब हो जाएगा ना. अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि हमने बिरयानी की दुकान खोली है और वो टेस्ट जिन लोगों को पसंद आएगा वो अपने आप आएंगे.
दैट इज राइट.
अगर ये मेरे को बीच में बात याद आई. दैट्स इट.
Yes, no, that is absolutely right. I think you need to find your audience. I think there is an audience for every kind of film, but at the same time, how do you find that balance, right? कि मतलब लोगों को you have to give a good film, yes, with substance, but at the same time, for example, when you were doing this promotion in the train, and when you were going around and you talked about how if anybody has seen a single short film ever. तो I felt disappointed for you for a while because वहां पे ट्रेन में किसी ने भी हाथ नहीं उठाया था. तो I felt a little disappointed कि मतलब हमारी जो audience है, we are not evolved to even know that there is single shot films that are already there, but those are not like true single shot. Those are false single shot, right? But still लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि मतलब ऐसी फिल्में भी होती हैं. तो ऐसे टाइम पे आपको do you feel disappointed? Because I think like as the audience also needs to be a little bit evolved in a way to be able to understand your craft.
See, मेरे साथ ना एक प्रॉब्लम है यार लाइफ में. हाँ मेरे साथ एक बहुत बड़ी मेजर प्रॉब्लम है, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाई पीपल कम टू मी कि मेरे को ना अपसेट डिसअपॉइंटमेंट ये सब पता नहीं होता नहीं है क्या है, कुछ मेरे को कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है मेरे अंदर कहीं पर. Because when you say that, did you feel disappointed that nobody knew? Rather, yes. I was taking it in my stride. I was taking it in my. अरे यार तो और अच्छा है, पहली बार one shot आई है, मैंने बनाई है, like that.
Yes.
So that was my even मैं तो बोलता था कि कोई बोले 1917 का नाम ले ले कोई बस, और मैं सीधा बोलूं कि भाई वो one shot नहीं है.
Yes.
वो वन शॉट नहीं है. फिर मैं जानता था कि लोग बोलेंगे कोई ना कोई तो नहीं. See, this is what happens with big budget films, that they have enough, and there is nothing wrong about it. Yes. They have enough to reach out to billions of people at let's say in 1 month.
Right.
In 1 month. Okay.
Right.
And that is where we lack. But we do not lack. What we lack is just the will, just the determination. That's it.
That's right.
Tell me one thing. अभी कुछ दिन पहले किसी से बात हो रही थी, तो I was telling them, yeah, tell me one thing. All these washing powders, these toothpaste, these cold drinks, pan masala, हम लोग बचपन से ऐड सुनते आ रहे हैं.
Yes.
इतना so that कि उनकी जिंगल्स हमें याद हैं. They have been forced on us. They have been, and बचपन से हम लोग कुछ एड्स ऐसे हैं कि हम लोग जब दुकान पे जाते हैं तो वॉशिंग पाउडर की जगह हम लोग उस प्रोडक्ट का नाम लेके बोलते हैं कि यार ये देना।
Yes, yes. That's
कोल्ड ड्रिंक
right.
की दुकान में जाते हैं तो हम कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं बोलते, हम सर्टेन ब्रांड का नाम लेके बोलते हैं भाई यार ये दे दे।
Yes.
इतना हमें फीड किया गया है। सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांटेड। मैं ये बोल रहा था कि यार अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि इट्स ए स्मॉल सिनेमा, आप करोड़ों तक नहीं पहुंच पाओगे एक बार में, बट
Hmm.
ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, इन द स्पैन ऑफ लेट्स से जितना भी हो गया अभी मेरे को,
Right.
नाउ आई हैव रीच्ड, आई नो, अगर मैं समवन काउंटेड इट फॉर मी, आई हैव ऑलमोस्ट रीच्ड 10 crore people till now.
That is awesome.
Yeah,
Yes.
and so
And-
this is, and if we are not doing it now, then when? This is the internet era.
That is true. That is true.
Yeah.
That is true. That is absolutely right. I'm surprised with your attitude really towards life, especially when you said that लोगों को पता नहीं है तो लोगों को बताया जाए कि ऐसी फिल्में होती हैं.
Yeah.
that is really nice.
Exactly. There were people who fought with me over saying कि अरे Dunkirk is one shot यार. What are you talking? Dunkirk is one shot.
Uh-huh.
मैंने बोला सर शायद मेरे से गलती हुई होगी आप, और सर मैंने उनके साथ बैठ के मॉल के अंदर पिक्चर देखी है डनकर्क। तो ऐसे भी हादसे हुए मेरे साथ।
Yes, yes. So to my viewers, yes, now we're coming a little late towards this point, but Lomad is a single shot. It's single shot in the sense it is not, there's no cuts. For example, there's so many other movies made that appear to be single shot. Birdman, for example. Then there's 1917 by Sam Mendes, and then there's Irreversible. I think there's so many different movies. Rope, right? I think Rope is where you got your inspiration from. If I'm not wrong.
See, this is what inspires me, that a guy in 1948 उसने
Yes.
सोचा, आई थिंक 1948, उसने सोचा कि वन शॉट बनाते हैं, और उस टाइम पे रील चलते थे। उस बंदे की
Yes.
जीनियस देखो कि वो बंदे पीठ के पीछे जा रहा है, रील चेंज कर रहा है और फिर से वापस से वहीं से चालू कर रहा है।
That is crazy conviction. Yes.
Yeah.
That is, yes. Yeah, for all my viewers, back in the day, it used to be reels. Like, that's why unko reel bolte ne. You actually had to use like analog films to film it. Today, we can do it using digital cameras. So 90% of the film today are made digitally using Red or Arri, all these like bigger cameras. But back in the day, it was even more difficult to even like, get everything on reel and making it appear one shot, which is absolutely astounding if you think about it. But that is awesome. And I also read about in one of your interviews, you said कि आपको एक आइडिया पहले आया था और आपने उसको स्क्रैप किया. Now you said the same thing about, I think it was Victoria, right? So did you scrap it because it was already made, a story around heist in a single shot format, or was that the reason, or was it very similar to the story that was already portrayed?
Not really. It was not similar at all. But what happened was कि एक तो ना मैं लिखते लिखते वो बहुत बड़ी बन गई थी. पहला रीजन ये था कि वो एकदम से लिखते लिखते बहुत बड़ी बन गई थी. एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉ इट इन मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल होता है मुंबई में. सो जब मैंने वो फिल्म देखी, मैंने बोला अरे यार हाइस्ट के ऊपर तो आई गई, so
Yes.
let's work something else. So that is where I wrote. Then मैंने बोला कि इसको और क्या मैं अनोखा करूं. So that is where I put in the dream sequences, the time transitions, and the slow motions, and so that is how Lomad happened.
I see. So Lomad, right? It means fox, and this is actually a wolf. For all my viewers who don't know, always get confused. Like people always get confused with fox for some reason. They call me fox, but it is actually a wolf. But
जैसन लोमड़ को इतना फेमस हो गई है ना लोमड़ कि अब तू कुछ भी पहन तेरे को फॉक्स ही बुलाएंगे.
maybe that is the reason.
वो ये जो वोल्फ नाम की जो स्पीशी है ना, प्रजाति,
Yes.
ये धीरे धीरे एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुकी है लोमड़ के आने से.
I like that. और मुझे उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. I wish you all the best, man, for all like the success that you've got. It's like amazing. I saw on YouTube. I think it is reached 500,000 people already, which is
no, still अभी 4 lakh है.
okay.
We have
Almost
reached,
there. Almost there.
Yeah.
Almost there.
Almost
That is really a great feat. I mean, coming from a, like, you know, a very tight budget, and, you know, getting all of the actors together and like making it work. You took an action and you actually made it work, which is, you made it, and that's awesome. Because a lot of people have, you know, all my the people that I interact with, you know, some of them are filmmakers, some of them are, like, you know, writers. What they do is they keep writing and they keep writing, but they do not take action and they do not make a film. You actually have to have that courage, and you have to get out there in the field, get your hands dirty, and just make it, right? And I think you are the biggest example, and that's why I wanted to do this interview with you, which is like, you are inspiring. That is awesome, because not only did you make the film, but the way you marketed it, you did not give a damn about how you looked, because you went out, you in front of Amitabh Bachchan's bungalow also. I think like you saw Amitabh Bachchan. That was crazy. how
Mr. Bachchan, watch my film, watch. But Mr. Bachchan, I'll tell you something. He's
Yeah.
such an amazing, and that is why he is what he is today. He's
Yes.
such a big superstar, and even with a bigger heart. अब
Yes.
उन्होंने देखी या नहीं देखी वो मुझे नहीं पता. But him looking at me and
Uh-huh.
gesturing,
Yeah, acknowledging it. Yes.
हाँ, इतना उनके लिए कर देना मेरे लिए. See, let's understand one thing. He's a big guy.
Yes.
You know, मैं समझता हूँ कि शायद समय के अभाव में शायद नहीं देख पाए होंगे या जो भी है. अब but then him acknowledging was good enough for me. I was very happy. I think I went there for 5 or 6 Sundays consecutively, and then finally unka आशीर्वाद मिला, and that's it. But then yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
Yeah. So coming back to Lomad, right? I'll start with the end tagline of the movie, right? It says, "There is a stranger inside us all," right?
Yeah.
And you know, I don't know if you've seen my videos recently. I've been making some film reviews on old classic Malayalam films. And these movies are so damn good. I think, you know, everybody in India, if you are starting out as an actor, filmmaker, or whatever, I think watching Malayalam classic films will give you a direction of what to do next, because they are so well made, the very top class, world class films. And one of the films that I watched recently is called Sadayam. So there's a stranger within us all. Like वो कभी भी बाहर आ सकता है in a strange environment, right? That was something that really, like, you know, took me there. I was like, okay, तो ये लोमड़ में भी same चीज हो रही है, right? And where did that idea come to you? Like, you know, कि इसको भी लोमड़ नाम देना है इस फिल्म को. Was it because of your dialogues, or was it already pre-planned कि अभी लोमड़ मेरे को बनानी है तो उसके अराउंड में डायलॉग्स या फिर फिल्म बनाता हूँ?
नहीं. So पहले तो please correct me. The name of the film is Sadyam, right?
Sadayam, yes.
SADYAM.
DAYAM, yes.
I will watch it. So
Yes.
no, see, when I write, I just write. There is no कि you know पहले title decide and all that. मेरे पास तो ये भी नहीं होता कि मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता रहता कि ending क्या होगी और शुरुआत क्या होगी, middle क्या होगी. You know, जैसे कि अभी भी, for example, I have a lot of thoughts, you know, जो कि लिखे हुए हैं.
Right.
और एकदम से I remember, धीरे धीरे एकदम से ending आ जाती है, एकदम से beginning हो जाता है. So this is how things work for me. And then after the whole film is done is when I will decide for a title. So लोमड़ का title ऐसे आया था कि you know, इतने वाहियात title मैंने पहले सोचे थे. Like
Yeah.
for example, The Bridge, then The Connect,
Okay.
then yeah. So अब मैं सोचता हूँ कि यार Hemant title plays such a major role.
That is so true.
अरे यार, imagine you going in the metro, मेरी फिल्म आ रही है The Connect. You know,
Yeah, it would have had the same impact that it does today.
impact ही नहीं है यार. And लोमड़ is like, एक तो पहली बात वो हिंदी word, दूसरा लोमड़ अभी भी लोगों को नहीं पता कि लोमड़ है क्या. You
That's
know,
right.
unless आप उसमें ई की मात्रा ना लगाओ, लोमड़ी,
Yes.
आप तब तक लोगों को नहीं समझ में आता क्या बोल रहा है ये.
Yes.
And especially जब पोस्टर देखते हो LOMAD तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं समझ में आता क्या है.
Yes.
So what happened was that you know, फिल्म हो रही थी, फिल्म शूट हो चुकी है. फिल्म शूट हो सॉरी नहीं, शूट से ना एक हफ्ते पहले मुझे टाइटल एकदम से लगा कि यार ये है टाइटल. So it just comes, it just clicks, and that is what happened. And instantly, जैसी लोमड़ आया, instantly, see, that is where I wanted my villain to be bigger than me, and that is where I gave the dialogue to Parimal saying, "कत्ती लोमड़ है तू."
Yes, that's the first time in the film that actually वहां पर लोमड़ आता है.
एक ही बार आदमी बोलता है,
Yes.
I know, कत्ती लोमड़ है तू.
Yes.
So I gave him to him. I gave the title to him, and yeah. So this is how the story behind the title of the
The
Lomad.
title is, and title definitely plays a very important role because I distinctly remember this. जब मैंने पहली बार आपकी रील देखी थी, like you were going around. I think it was the theatrical release. First reel was about the you were in the theater and you were talking about the film, and then you got a standing ovation. And लोमड़, मैंने ये नाम जब पढ़ा तो मुझे भी नहीं समझ आया. So I can totally understand when you said कि लोगों को नहीं पता रहती, ये बात पता नहीं है कि लोमड़ is actually a fox. That was also like something I used to wonder कि ये क्या है, लोमड़ क्या होता है. And then I realized, मैंने जाके उसके बारे में पढ़ा तो मैंने देखा कि oh okay, लोमड़ is actually a fox, which is interesting. कि you chose that title because that definitely has impacted the way the things have been now for you. I have one question about the filmmaking aspect of it, right? So since this is a single shot, I also noticed that you had some kind of makeup on your face, right? In the sense कि थोड़ा खून भी आ रहा होता है, and that happens between the shots, or because I think the camera is panned to a different actor. तो आप जाके आप मेकअप करा के वापस फिर सीन में आ जाते हो. I'm guessing that
No. See, so makeup का ऐसा था कि I had told all my actors that this is going to be a no makeup shoot. Okay, and I really appreciate both the girls at this point in time. यहाँ पर I give the credit to both of them that they मतलब कैसे वो लोग मेरी बात मान गए. I don't know, but they obeyed and they followed the instructions. So there was a no makeup look on किसी के भी. एक हल्का सा कंसीलर अगर लड़कियों ने लगाया होगा तो लगाया होगा. And but then me having those marks, वो तो शुरू से ही था. Okay. And another trivia, the second half, when the character जब मेरे को पत्थर से मारते हैं, तो वो पत्थर एक्चुअली मेरे आर्ट डायरेक्टर ने इतना सेक्सी बना दिया था, और जहां पर उसको रखते थे हम लोग रिहर्सल्स में, वो वहां की बजाय कहीं और रख दिया.
Okay.
So अब now the character is अच्छा, now see, this is what there were certain things that added, like when Tirtha is looking for the rocks, it is actually like कहाँ रख दिया भाई, कहाँ था, यही तो होता था. So she's looking for कि कुछ मिले अच्छा सा इसको मारने के लिए. So that comes across that so natural कि क्योंकि वो मिसप्लेस हो गया, so वो जो एक मोनोटोनस था कि यार यहीं पर मिलेगा, यहीं से उठाना है, वो टूट गया वहां पे. So that came so natural कि she's looking for and बात कर रही है, and she's looking for and बात कर रही है, and then finally जब नहीं मिला, she बोली यार अब तो उठाना ही पड़ेगा. So she took a real पत्थर.
I see.
Yeah, and the beauty of that actor is that अब उसको सीन भी करना है, और उसको ये भी पता था कि हेमंत ने बोला था यार be natural, यार कुछ भी नकली नहीं करना है. So she did give me a blow, पूरा हाथ को अपने आगे रखते हुए पत्थर के कि ताकि लगे ना, but obviously लगना तो था ही, तो वो जो लगा वो एक्चुअली में असली में लगा. And if you see that blood, हम लोगों ने एक ब्लड का कंटेनर जो था वो छोटा सा वो कहीं रखा था आसपास ही, तो जब कैमरा तीर्था के ऊपर जाता है तो यहाँ पर मैं वो लगा के और मैं भागता हूँ, बट उसके पहले मेरा रियल ब्लड वहां पर ऑलरेडी आ चुका था.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so that is the mix of real blood and that makeup blood. Yeah.
That is awesome. Yeah. So this sounds like a very fun process. Or
it is a very fun process because I remember there was one scene where when this character takes out the key from the cop's pocket.
Yes.
रिहर्सल्स में जिस पॉकेट में रखा जाता था, शूट में उसके दूसरे पॉकेट में रख लिया. तो अब क्या हुआ, when Arushika went to grab that key, वो उसको मिला नहीं. वो उसको मिला नहीं. तो
वही सीन में कैप्चर हुआ है. Yes.
हाँ, वो उसने क्या किया कि बस मुट्ठी में वो आ गई, गाड़ी के अंदर आ गई, and अंदर आ गई, मैं अंदर आ गया, दरवाजा बंद किया, एंड देन आई एम लाइक कीज कहाँ है, कीज कहाँ है? शी इज गिविंग मी लाइटर एंड शी इज गिविंग मी चश्मा देयर. शी इज सो टेंस्ड कि यार, एंड दैट टेंशन वाज कि अब फिल्म रुक जाएगी क्या यहाँ पे, अब क्या होगा?
Yes.
अब क्या होगा? सी, no doubt Orishika is an intelligent actor, but she is very director's actor. मतलब वो उसको अगर नहीं मिला ना क्यों, तो शायद रुक सकती थी कहानी. But then she is very intelligent at the same. All my actors were intelligent, but यहाँ पर she didn't stop anywhere. The beauty of that actor is that she started giving me lighter. She started giving me चश्मा. अब उसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा मैं क्या दूं, मेरे को देना तो चाबी था. See, the actual scene was that she gives me the key and I put in the key, लेकिन अब गाड़ी नहीं चलती. ये सीन था. और ये गाड़ी नहीं चलती तब तक, गाड़ी क्यों नहीं चल रही है, क्योंकि बाद में पता चलता है कि क्या हुआ था पीछे, उसकी वजह से गाड़ी नहीं चल रही थी. लेकिन अब क्योंकि वो है नहीं, तो शी इज गिविंग मी लाइटर एंड देन आई कंटिन्यू.
कि ये सब पागल हो गई हो क्या?
हाँ, तुम चाबी बाहर भुलाई and you're giving me this lighter and chashma.
Oh. I thought it was a part of the movie because
exactly.
इतना natural था कि वो ऐसा लग रहा था कि okay, this was a part of the script.
If you see, real life is not choreography.
Right. Yes.
Real life is not choreography, and this is what worked for my film. Like वो पत्थर का ढूंढना, like चाबी का नहीं मिलना, like शुरुआत में, फिल्म के शुरुआत में something happened, अभी मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा. Then हाँ, फिर बीच में एक दो डायलॉग्स भूल जाना, फिर उसको कवर अप करना. See, real life is about all this.
Yes.
When I'm talking to you, there are so many fumbles, there are so many hesitations, there are so many pauses, because this is natural.
Yes.
So, and this is what I am so happy that I got a team and I got technicians like that came together and we could make something as real as life.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is true. The dialogues themselves are so natural that you think that okay, this is a film, but this is not a film, right? So that aspect of it actually draws people in, which is why it was such a great experience to watch it. 100%. If you don't mind, I would like to talk about some financial aspects of the filmmaking, right? I know you said you made it yourself, right? So it's completely your production. You gave people the money, the crew. I'm guessing you had to pay the actors also some money since you auditioned them. Or unka, I think you spent 6 months rehearsing, right? The whole film. So I'm guessing, time is so valuable for actors, right? I mean, of course, sometimes you don't have work, right? But also, when you're giving 6 months of your time to a project, you also have to pay them. So if you don't mind, if you would like to share some financial aspects of the film, did you have to pay a lot or a big amount?
There was this beautiful, कहीं पर एक इंटरव्यू में मैंने सुना था नसीर साहब को बोलते हुए कि हम लोग, उन्होंने किसी एक फिल्म का नाम लिया जो कि बड़ी फिल्म थी और बहुत ही बकवास थी, तो उसका नाम लेते हुए उन्होंने बोला कि यार हम लोगों को ये फिल्म करनी पड़ती है कि ताकि हम हेमवंत तिवारी जैसों की फिल्म कर सकें जिसके पास पैसे नहीं होते.
Right.
So now you should get an idea that how we all worked. Okay, so this is what the whole filmmaking was, the whole process was all about. Right. And so this is the answer to that.
I see. Okay. Interesting. You also sent this film to a lot of film festivals, right? So uske andar, I think it is a great achievement that you have 24 awards for the film. I think 10 itself for acting, I'm guessing, or in the acting category.
Yes. Absolutely.
That is awesome. That is really, really nice. It's a great achievement. So for my filmmaking audience, right, for people who are filmmakers who watch this video, my videos, how do you submit to these? What is the process like? Do you have to pay to be able to submit your film to these film festivals? Are some of them free? How does it work?
See, there are, all these festivals, एक होता है fee waiver, where you mail them.
I see.
कि sir I this that जो भी है, I mean which I did,
Yeah.
मैंने सबको बोला कि obviously I'm independent, this that, and I don't have, which I actually didn't. तो and that all came naturally. जो भी वहां पर मेरा निकल के आता था, सब दिल से निकल के भड़ास निकलती थी. So काफी जगह पे मेरे को माफी हुई, डिस्काउंट भी मिले. कई इफ यू गो ऑन दिस साइट कॉल्ड फिल्म फ्रीवे, वहां पर आपको काफी फेस्टिवल्स के बारे में पता चल जाता है. कुछ होते हैं जो फ्री होते हैं, कुछ होते हैं जो आपको देने पड़ते हैं, और
Right.
कुछ होते हैं जो आपको डिस्काउंट दे देते हैं, फी वेवर दे देते हैं. सो या सो देयर इज अ लॉट. आई मीन अगर आप थोड़ा सा रिसर्च करें और उस पर बैठ के एक बार समझें, I think you'll get a massive idea.
I see. So okay, so some of these festivals also let you enter free without even
Yeah.
taking, because they waive it off because they see कितना आपने मतलब कितनी मेहनत की है, कितना मतलब if you're not financially able to support your film that way.
Correct,
So
correct.
okay, interesting. That's a really good information on that. Are you happy with the theatrical release, and how does that work? Right, you also there should be, if I'm not wrong, the distributors need to buy the film in order to show it, right? So how did you convince them, or like how do you go out and say, okay, मेरे को theatrical release करनी है?
See,
क्या करते हैं?
I went to the distributors, no doubt about it. I called them and I said, sir, मेरी एक फिल्म है, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ और मैं इसका एक रिलीज चाहता हूँ. एंड मुझे पॉइंट ब्लैंक आंसर आया, नो. नो, कोई इसमें कोई बुरा मानने वाली बात नहीं है. वो लोग बड़े लोग हैं और
Yes.
ऑब्वियसली सी इट्स अ मनी मेकिंग बिजनेस, सबको अपना पैसा घर चलाना है. सो दे विल डेफिनेटली, उनके अपने रीजंस थे मना करने के, बट आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट पॉइंट ब्लैंक विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम इट वाज अ नो. That is a good thing. So
Yeah.
that is a good thing. In the beginning, Ashutosh Gorikar sir was on the verge of releasing the film.
Oh.
Yeah. He was. He did 2 screenings in his office, and but then he gave a very valid reason why he couldn't. So okay. But then मैं आशुतोष गोरिकर सर को प्रणाम करता हूँ कि उन्होंने ट्वीट किया मेरी फिल्म के बारे में.
Yes.
When the right time came, I called him. I messaged him कि sir, I'm releasing the film now, so if you can just एक वीडियो अगर आप बना सकें, you have seen the film. अरे हेमंत, I will not make a video, don't worry. I'll tweet for you. I think that will make a bigger difference.
Right.
And मैंने बोला, what else यार? I mean, this is where
Yes.
I mean, he did, and उनके नाम पे जो मैं चिल्लाया हूँ मार्केट में, Ashutosh Gorikar sir tweeted about the film that it's an amazing film. मैं उनका भी नाम ले लेके कितनी जगह पे मैं मतलब रुका नहीं हूँ मैं कहीं भी. The maker of Lagan and Swades has seen the film. ऐसे करके भी मैं Yeah. So coming back when these people they said no.
Yeah.
So I went to the office. मैं PVR के ऑफिस में चला गया and मैं उनको बोला कि सर ऐसे ऐसे एक फिल्म है and I would like to have a screen. So I mean they didn't confirm. They didn't give me a date.
Okay.
No.
Interesting.
Sorry. They gave me a date, but they didn't confirm. कोई मेरे पास कुछ written नहीं था. हाँ कि इस दिन पे ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है, कुछ भी नहीं था.
Right.
They just एक वर्बल हुआ कि यार हेमंत देख ऐसे ऐसे होता है, इतना प्रमोशन पे जाता है, अगर वो प्रमोशन तुमने कर लिया, अगर लगा कि भाई मार्केट में कुछ है तो we'll give you screens.
Yes.
यार जेसन, मैंने बस उस वर्बल पे, उस बात पे, उस हवा में फेंकी हुई बात को कि हाँ चलो देखते हैं, करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं, मैं मार्केट में आ गया और मैंने जो 4 जून से चिल्लाना चालू किया.
Yes.
2 महीने में 4 अगस्त तक मैं चिल्लाता रहा. एंड आई थिंक उनको ये उन्होंने ये करके दे दिया, भाई अब इसकी हिम्मत के आगे हम नहीं कर सकते, इसको दे दो यार. So they gave me a morning show in Mumbai.
Yes.
And Delhi, Gurgaon and Noida पे simultaneously एक साथ रिलीज हुआ था. And फिर इन्होंने 3 दिन या 2 दिन मॉर्निंग शो करने के बाद they gave me an evening show. And yeah, then after this Kolkata, and then Kolkata के बाद Bangalore.
I see. And where did it make like the most business? I'm guessing Mumbai.
It did in Mumbai, Kolkata.
Okay, Mumbai.
And even Noida.
Oh, I see. Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
So, are you happy with the collection? Did it make profit, or did it? If you're okay to talk about it, did
See,
you make any kind of
see,
profit from that?
see, जो मेरा जो पूरा नंबर ऑफ पीपल और ये वो है, वो सब
Yes.
मेरे पास पेपर पे लिखा हुआ है. बट फॉर सम रीजन मैं पीवीआर से मांग मांग के थक गया हूँ कि सर सेंड मी. उन्होंने अभी तक मेरे को भेजा ही नहीं है.
Oh,
या सो ये
interesting.
अलग सीन चल रहा है. मैं अभी और फिर क्या होता है ना, दैट आई गेट बिजी विथ माय वर्क, सो मैं उनको कॉल करके थक जाता हूँ कि सर
Payment.
भेजो तो सर, कुछ तो भेजो, क्या है, मैं चेक तो करूं दिखता कैसा है.
Yes. Right.
So yeah, I'm just waiting for that. I'm sure अभी कुछ दिन में हो जाएगा.
Okay. So it's been a year, right? मतलब ये होकर.
Yeah. It's been a
Okay.
year.
And
14th of September was in Bangalore.
interesting. Okay. So you do not have a number where आप बता सकते हैं कि मतलब है ना कि मतलब थिएट्रिकल रिलीज में ज्यादा नंबर ऑफ व्यूज मिले हैं या फिर अभी YouTube पर मिल रहे हैं?
See, no doubt. I mean, YouTube पे मिले हैं. उसकी तो कोई उसी there's no two ways about it.
Right.
Because it was single screen in Mumbai, single
Uh-huh.
screen in Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, and Kolkata and Bangalore. So any day the number of viewers are more on YouTube. Any day.
Tell us about the next script that you're working on. I am pretty sure you are stepping into the filmmaking aspect of the whole the cinema filmmaking aspect of cinema, right? You did acting jobs. Now I think you're writing another script, and I think I'm also guessing you're acting in that too.
See, I'll tell you something, Jason, that I am so excited about my next. I'm so excited.
Mhm.
It is, if people have loved Lomad,
Yes.
and due to some reason, there was a certain section of the society that obviously, see, now in the next film, I am gonna bring the whole community together. The community which I built, and the
Yes.
community which know about me, know about my film, my kind of cinema, but obviously they have a different taste.
Right.
With my next film, will bring that community as well. It is gonna be one of the most extraordinary cinema the history of cinema has ever seen.
That's a bold statement there, right?
That is a bold statement, and it is definitely a bold one. The film is also bold, and
Interesting.
and I take pride in that. That we as a team have created something again extraordinary, and
Yes.
something that the cinema lovers, the film lovers, the cinephiles, and the
Yes.
moviegoers,
Right.
they have not seen something like this.
That is really interesting. I am so intrigued right now. So is it something like, for example, you did a single shot, right? So that was completely unique. Unique in the sense, हाँ ऐसे फिल्में बनी है, but it not in the true format of single shot. So that was unique. So something like that, like are you trying something new in the cinema world, or what exactly? If you can give
See,
something about it.
See. It will be. I can tell you that it will be a different cinema technicality wise. It will be a different cinema in the storytelling wise, the presentation wise. It will be in every aspect. It will be something anokha, something different.
That is, I look forward to it, man.
Yeah.
It really makes me think and wonder. So, and would it be on YouTube, or are you coming out with like a theatrical release?
See, again, I will definitely give a command of a worldwide theatrical release.
Okay.
And yeah. I'm not going to stop anywhere. I mean, see, बात करेंगे तो यार सीधी सी बात है, अपने को गैलेक्सी चाहिए.
I like that actually.
Yeah, because see, at this point in time, I don't have any resources to release it in cinema, but
Right.
I don't dream anything less of releasing it worldwide, theatrically, everywhere around the globe. And now let's see what the universe has in store for all of us.
I'm so sure with the kind of attitude that you possess, and with the contagious energy, man. I have to tell you, the first time we spoke, and you were like, okay, you were bindas, and you were like, Jason, ऐसी बात है, ऐसे है. I was like, wow, this guy is like, he has a contagious energy, and that was really refreshing for me. And I am so sure with your attitude and with the hard work that you put in, I am so sure the next film is going to be bigger than this, 100%. You already have your community, you have a niche audience, and this is going to grow more and more. I think our cinema audience
this
is
is this is what, to your community, to your makers, to your budding filmmakers and the actors, we need to understand one thing. This is the best era ever. This is the best age, the best time we are living in.
That's right.
Yeah. I mean, nothing should stop us, like the best platform is YouTube, अगर आपको ज्यादा है कि भाई नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो यार आपको 2 साल लगेंगे, बट अपने घर के 1 या 2 किलोमीटर की रेडियस में आप सबके घर पे जाके नॉक करके बोल सकते हो, यार प्लीज मेरी फिल्म देखना यार यूट्यूब पे।
Yes.
और अगले 4 साल लगेंगे अपने पूरे शहर में नॉक करके बोलने में, यार मेरी फिल्म आई थी 4 साल पहले, यूट्यूब पे देखना जरा।
Yes, that is right. It is forever on YouTube, and
it is forever. Yeah.
Yes, it's always gonna catch traction. If not now, also in the future. If the taste of people changes, people evolve. Cinema goers evolve, right? The audience evolves. They will always fall back to movies like Lomad, right? Even if you think the success that it's got is not enough now, I mean, it can always catch traction later. And I'm so glad that you had a theatrical release as well as you put it on YouTube. And one more thing I wanted to ask was, does YouTube have the complete, like in the original cut of the film, or is it also edited out for some scenes because of the theatrical release?
नो सी सो थिएट्रिकल में कुछ कटा ही नहीं था मेरी फिल्म में, बस 1-2 जगह पे बीसी और एमसी म्यूट हुए थे। सो फॉर सम रीजन मैंने वही वाला ही वर्जन यूट्यूब पे भी डाला हुआ है। या सो दैट इज थिंग, एंड सी द ओनली थिंग इज दैट हमारे पास एक ही हर्डल था, दैट इज कि दुनिया के सामने अपनी फिल्म को दिखाएं कैसे।
राइट
अब तो वो भी सॉल्व हो गया।
यस दैट इज ट्रू।
अब सिर्फ एक प्रॉब्लम रह गई, दुनिया के सामने दिखा के यूट्यूब पे दिखा तो सकते हैं कि ये मेरी फिल्म है, अब एक प्रॉब्लम है दुनिया को बताएं कैसे।
यस
अब वो अगर आपने इंटरनेट यूज कर लिया, आप बता सकते हैं दुनिया को।
Yes, I think you very well achieved that aspect as well. I think your marketing strategy really worked. I mean, it has reached a lot of people around the globe. I mean, I was sitting here in the US and I saw your reel. I was like, wow, this is great. And your marketing strategy definitely, like, I'm guessing if I'm hoping my filmmaking viewers, if they're watching this, you get to learn some new techniques of even marketing, right? Because marketing is so much more important than just making the film. क्योंकि आप YouTube पे तो पुश कर देंगे, बट लोगों को जानना भी तो जरूरी है कि ऐसी फिल्म एग्जिस्ट करती है। So yeah, which is amazing, man. I really appreciate your time again. It was such a pleasure to talk to you, and I learned so many new things about filmmaking, about acting as a process, and I wish you all the best, man, for your next ventures, and whatever you do, I wish and pray that you succeed in everything. And for all my viewers who are watching this, I really want you to do one thing for Hemant. So he's made this film completely, it's an independent film. It would really help him if you go on IMDb and leave a review on his film, because that helps him grow as an actor, as a filmmaker. If that's a small thing, and I would request you to watch the film and also share your thoughts and reviews on the IMDb page. Thank you so much, Hemant, again. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Jason. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you.